What's up, guys? So this off-road Jeep here, buddy just uses it for a woods buggy, I'm pretty sure. But we're just gonna boost it here real quick. Hold the hood pins.
We need a belt, really bad.
Need a belt for the Mazda. We'll clean her up.
Yeah, we're gonna clean her right up.
This is the one that's for sale. Just gotta do a couple odds and ends to it. And anyone looking for a good daily, this is gonna be for sale. Here, hook her up, bye.
Hood pins.
Yeah, hood pins. 6 liter. Inline 6.
Inline 6, yeah, inline 6.
6 liter.
Here, you grab these. Which one do you want to do? Look at that little battery.
Yeah,
Hello.
That's half the problem.
Yeah. It's got on battery here.
Key's in it. I'll let you fire it up.
Those ain't even tight.
No.
Fool. It's probably ready to go.
Oh yeah. You said buddy fired it right up. Oh wait, what's that? Is there something in there?
Yeah, sock. It's taped on there.
Oh.
That's the air filter.
That's his breather. Yeah.
Nope. It's alright.
Nope. Ground. Move the ground. It's the ground, hold on. There she is. Okay. And woods buggy. Good toy though. Hey, we'll get. Yeah, it was definitely cold, but that's the breather. What do you think of the breather? Hold the hood. I mean, she works.
No, doesn't. That's pulling hard.
Cool. I'm gonna take this for a quick rip and then feel it out, Chad and I. So. Alright guys, so I figured out the brake problem here. You can see it's all inside the wheel. So this caliper let go. You can see the pads, it pushed out way too far, so that's why it's leaking. You can see inside here. So it is just a mud buggy. So a lot of the noise is coming out of here, but the shocks are really loose. You can kind of see, I can literally move them side to side. It's got nice adjusters. All the front steering arms all need to be changed. Just everything's loose, real grease. Probably wasn't greased up. The seals, the U-joints need to be changed, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So right now, you can see there ain't much left of that pad. But he's bringing me 2 new rotors, 2 new pads. We'll pull these spacers off of here. So 2 rotors, 2 sets of pads, and a caliper is what this thing's getting today. And then she's going back out in the woods, boys. I'm gonna take these 2 last bolts off for the spacer. Oh, I guess they already had one off, so. Spacer off. Yeah, we can get the caliper off. We'll change out this rotor. Do the pads at the same time. Pull the 2 clips. And then get to the other side. Alright guys, so I got this on. You can see how rusty it is. So what happens is once it wears down the pad, you see all the dust debris. Once it wears the pad, it pushes it out so far. And then it blows the seal out. So once the seal blows out, you start losing all your brake fluid. You can top it up, but you're going to lose your brakes over and over and over. So you have to fix the problem, and the best thing to do is change out your rotors, change out your pads, so then you don't have to change calipers because they're expensive. You don't want to get in to start doing that. But yeah, I'm gonna pull this off, this cap, block off this line, change that out, and I'll show you guys how to install the new caliper. Oh, look at that, boys. That's what happens when it pushes the caliper out so far. Let's see. It's supposed to be double-sided. It's missing all this right here. Missing all the wood. Alright guys, we tried to pull this spacer off here, and somebody got mad at it. Maybe doing this good. Look at it. We'll cut this off and then pull this off. Cut this off. 3 of the studs had these rotten nuts on them, so we tried to beat an 18 on it. It's supposed to be 19, but the 18 just wasn't going for it. So I had to cut it off with the torches. So I got my torches here, you can see, and basically I cut them off slowly, saved everything. You can see. So you can see in there, 3 of them. Didn't hurt the spacer. Just took my time, so the spacer's still good, and then I just beat these keys out after. They were just sitting inside. So whip those. I'm gonna beat these out real quick. I think it'll let us go by. Yep. I'm gonna cut that off more. Probably gonna unbolt the whole hub.
I'm gonna have to just hit it with a punch too.
Let's see.
That should go in one spot.
Let's see what we got here. Yeah. Go back. It's close, huh?
There's one spot on it. It should be, I think.
She wants to. I had to pull that bearing off, which it's not that big of a deal. That's what we're gonna have to do, bud.
Yep.
Not a big deal. So I'll just smash this one up. And then that's it. So the only way to get them off is either you can shave this down some in a little spot, or just pull these 12 mils out, these 12 points. And then this axle nut, and then pull that right off, and we'll change those out for them. See the old rotor there, wasn't too bad. You guys can see the pads. Pads were basically shot, so he could have probably left this side and just did the other side because it's a mud rig. But the best way to do it is fix it now because it's already apart. See, somebody had anti-seize in there before.
Oh, yeah, no.
Yeah, so. Alright. Okay, guys, so I'm still waiting for some more parts for this. The driver's side caliper, and then he's bringing me a stud setup for this. So I'm going to go home and grab the right axle nut. So it's a 36. And yeah, I'm going to come back after probably. Bang this thing out for him, and he'll be out in the woods here in no time. So. Like, subscribe, and share, boys. We'll see you on the next one. You guys would, eh?
Yeah.